me, Jeff, and welcome back to my channel, Jeff R. Vlogs. For today's video, nandito kami ngayon sa may Clark, Pampanga, dito sa may Royce Hotel and Casino. And today, we're having our breakfast buffet. Dito yung napili namin kasi gusto namin itry yung mga food dito sa breakfast. And since ma-breakfast kasi akong tao, pati si mama at si papa, dito na kami nag-try. Actually, malapit lang itong Royce Hotel na to from Manila. 1.5 hours lang yung travel namin. Kung makikita nyo, wala pa masyadong tao. Ang sabi sa amin, may mga nauna ng kumain and the rest daw, mamaya pa daw sila magsisipagbabaan. Ngayon ay 7 a.m. pa lang, kaya siguro konti pa rin talaga ang tao at this time. Ayan, so makita nyo, ito yung kanilang buffet area. Later on, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga food na nandiyan. What I like most dito sa 21 all-day dining here in Royce Hotel is the interior. Ang ganda. Yung mga chairs and tables nila, very classy. Kaganahan ka talaga kumain. And look naman their buffet area. Oh, it's so clean. Yung mga staff nila, very friendly and accommodating. They also have here yung tinatawag nilang batirol. Ayan siya. It's made of cocoa and peanut butter. Then, since I love peanut butter, masarap siya. Hindi ganun katamis. On my first plate, I have here garlic rice. And then, kumuha rin ako ng corned beef. And this one ay mga steamed veggies, of course, with bagoong. Ito naman ay adobong chicken. And then, this is our syadong bangus. And my salted egg. For my second round, meron ako ditong noodles. Nagpaluto ako. And then, meron din ako ditong French toast. This one is egg fried rice. This one is Korean pancake, chicken roll, grilled tomato, potato wedge. This one is beef naman siya. And ito ay egg. Ito naman ay omelette na pure veggies lang. Hindi ko pinilagyan ng meat. And of course, boiled egg. Yummy. Siyempre, kumuha din ako ng champurado. Ang sarap nung ginamit na chocolate or cocoa, kung ano man yung nilagay dyan. And we're done na sa aming breakfast. Worth it naman ang pagpunta dito. Masasarap ang food. Pumunta lang talaga kami dito to experience their breakfast buffet. Mas masarap sana kung may beef tapa, no? Beke naman, Royce Hotel sa susunod. But it was a great experience, the food and the service as well. So guys, maraming salamat muli sa pagsama nyo sa akin. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!